Okay, good morning, figaholic friends. This is nothing or not much related to my figs here because near the house I've got some various fruit trees, jujube, mulberry, and some figs back there like my yellow long neck and Vista and Bordeaux Negra Armada. But I put up some old sprinkler pipe that I don't use anymore because the fittings on it don't match with the pipe that we use out in the alfalfa field, which now I rent out. I don't farm it myself. But anyway, my wife was very observant this morning, getting her first cup of coffee, and we don't know. We have some new energy form here. We don't know what's going on. My worker said he noticed it yesterday and did a video of it, but I'm not sure. There's no animal inside of it. And no vibration on the ground that I can feel, no earthquake. And the only thing I thought maybe if it's something related to temperature change, it's warming up, and maybe the higher pipe expands more, or maybe that's creating something. But maybe this is a new energy form that we can harness somehow and solve all of our global warming and prevent forest fires, bring peace to the world, whatever. But anyway, just some silly things that we see here on the farm sometimes.